In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into a Deepseek app. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so for whatever reason, you've logged out of your Deepseek app and now you want to gain access. So simply open up Deepseek application. Now from here, just depending the way you've signed up to Deepseek, so if you used your email and a password, just jot in your email and your password here. If you've forgotten your password, click on Forgot Password. Put in your email address, and then it will say send code, and like as it states here, enter your email address and we'll send you a verification code to reset your password. So email address, click send code, and then put that code in, then click continue, and then you would have to put in a new password, and then you come back to here, put in your email or your phone number and that new password to log in. Or if you're logged in via your Google account, you can simply click on to sign in with Google like so, and then click agree. Then from here, just choose the Google account where you've signed in. So if I've signed in with tutorials, I'm going to click tutorials, and that's going to sign me in like so, and then you'll be brought to Deepseek. And if I click on the 3 or the 2 horizontal bars, you can see I'm signed in.